Hello everyone, welcome to Shanghai Handy's introduction show. My name is Lee and I will introduce our main product, digital plate scanner to you. You sure?
Yes.
Thank you. You can see this is our Handy's picking, red and white. It's very beautiful and our model name is the HDS-500 and the product is the digital imaging plate scanner. So let's see what's inside. Wow! Products, the warranty card, the user measure, power to with the scanner, the blue line to use the connect with computer, and this is our scanner. 4 IP plates with the 4 different size in a box. We had 1, 2, 3 little box, protect the IP plate, and a USB. This is the total things in this box.